How to log out of Snapchat account from all the devices. Hello everyone, it's me Rock, and today let's learn on how to log out from your Snapchat account from all the devices that you have. For this, first of all, you have to launch the very Snapchat account on your mobile device. You have to tap on Snapchat account like this. After you tap on the Snapchat account like this, Snapchat account will be launched on your mobile device. After that, you have to go to your profile like section on the top side. After tapping on the profile like section on the top side, you can see an interface like this. Now you have to tap on the gear like settings icon. After tapping on the gear like settings icon, now you can see an interface like this. If any day you would like to log out from all of the devices, at first you have to tap on the option of saved login info. After tapping on the option of saved login info, now you can see the very device where that logged in. You have to tap on the device like this and then go to the minus like account and then delete it. Now if you'd also like to log out of the device that you are logged into, you have to go to the option of the logout and then tap on that and log out from the Snapchat. This way you will be logged out from Snapchat from all the devices that you have. Thank you for watching our video, and if you really like it, do not forget to subscribe our channel.